Solar energy is a clean energy that reduces bills, is low maintenance, is sustainable, renewable, eco-friendly, and independent. Uni Electric provides solar solutions for domestic, commercial, and industrial sectors. Uni Electric has on-grid and hybrid solar solutions for all sectors. Hybrid solar setup includes the 5 kW to 15 kW domestic solar system for residential and commercial systems with required battery backup. In a hybrid system, we have solutions with the backup time of tubular, dry, and lithium-ion batteries. In the on-grid system, we can install a solar system from 5 kW to 5 MW. The solar system will help you to reduce your electricity bill for homes, offices, and industries up to zero. Our structural engineer will design your solar shed for your system with creative design even in congested places with the help of H-beams and GI channels. For solar structures, we have options for different materials, including aluminum solar structure, MIS solar structure, GI solar structure. Get your site survey through Uni Electric Pvt Ltd now and avail the facility of free visit and rooftop analysis free of cost.